everyone and welcome back to my channel. So excuse my PJs and stuff today, and I've not did my hair. Actually I've dyed my hair and that's what these marks are. Basically today I'm sitting down to film a Halloween look. I have absolutely no bloody idea what to film, what to do. Like Halloween for me when I was at college I absolutely loved, and I used to do crazy looks all the time. I was really into avant-garde makeup and stuff, so I used to be really creative when I was at college, and then even a few years after I was still doing things, and I loved Halloween. I loved going out at Halloween, I loved doing my face at Halloween and everyone else's faces, but for some reason in the past few years I've just felt zero motivation to create Halloween looks or do anything. In fact, even for clients I've not taken Halloween bookings for I think 2 years. I've definitely not got any again this year. I'm just busy with brides and stuff. I wasn't even going to film a Halloween look. I wasn't even going to do one on myself, to be honest, for Instagram or anything. But when I posted on Instagram, everyone asked for a Halloween look, and I was like, oh, I've just got no inspiration. I'm not motivated in the slightest. So I've got out, you should see. Actually, let me try and show you what I've got out. It's such a mess, right? Well, I've got my wee cup of tea here, talc, my colour palettes, which are a total mess. I've got some blood, I've got Skin Flesh, Rice Krispies, just brushes, and this is my box of special effects here. So before we started I was messing about on my hand, making sure that all my products were actually still usable. The one thing I do know is that I don't want to do a pretty Halloween look. I don't want to have big lashes on and eyeshadow and everything else. I definitely want to do something more gory. But I don't want to do a typical clown. All I've seen all over Instagram this year is these bits, I don't even know what you call them, with the spikes coming up, or the teardrops. I definitely don't want to do anything like that. I also just don't like the idea of a zombie. So I think I'm just gonna wing it, totally wing it. I know I want to use some blood and Skin Flesh and just have some cuts and stuff, and the reason why I've got the Rice Krispies is because I'm planning on crushing them up and putting them on the face. I don't know what the Halloween look will be called. Let's just roll with it. So I've got my hair back and I think we should just get started. So I might bring you in just a little bit closer. Originally my plan was to use latex and tissue paper, but my latex has hardened in the bottle, so I definitely can't do a look like that. I'm going to create the same sort of, well, it'll be less of it, just using the skin products. Let's just go. Let us just go. So I think I want a base for my face, so I'm just going to I'm going to whiz through this. So I'm going to darken up my eyes, give some fake brows and stuff, and go from there. Let's go. Stop talking. Before I actually get started, so usually I think people would soap out their eyebrows or something like that, with concealer, but I don't have a lot of brow hair, so I'm just going to leave them and I'm just going to go over them with colour, because usually they blend in quite well anyway. My camera just completely cut off, so I'm just going to show you what I did here. I dipped the brush into the brown and I just used it like a contour and blended it out. this is a finished look, guys. It's safe to say I'll never wing another Halloween look. I literally hate how this has turned out. It's just like messy, I think. I mean, I look sort of zombie-esque, I suppose. Yeah, it's just way more messy than I originally wanted it to turn out. There's a lot of blood, a lot of drips. I think maybe if I could wipe off some of these, like not have them coming down so far, I think that looks better. So yeah, I will never wing a Halloween look again, but this is done, and if I've got a little bit more time tomorrow, I might actually do another one, like a proper one, where I do actually plan it out. But as Halloween videos go, I guess I'll not be making another one. I might do another look tomorrow, but not a video. So this is Halloween 2018. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!